Hey there, health-conscious folks. Welcome back to Fitness 360. Today, we're diving into one of the most controversial and intriguing diets out there, the carnivore diet. In this video, we'll explore what the carnivore diet is, how it works, its potential benefits, and whether it's a sustainable choice for your health and lifestyle. So, what exactly is the carnivore diet? Simply put, it's an extreme form of a low-carb, high-fat diet that consists almost entirely of animal products. That means, yes, you guessed it, you're eating primarily meat. This diet typically includes beef, poultry, pork, and even fish, but it excludes all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Now let's talk about how the carnivore diet works. It's pretty straightforward. You focus on eating animal-based foods to the exclusion of everything else. The goal is to enter a state of ketosis where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. You might be wondering, why would anyone choose this diet? Proponents claim that the carnivore diet can lead to rapid weight loss, improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and relief from certain health conditions. There are even anecdotes and studies suggesting it may help with conditions like autoimmune diseases and digestive issues. But as with any diet, there are controversies and criticisms. Detractors argue that eliminating all plant foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies, digestive problems, and an increased risk of heart disease. The absence of fiber and certain vitamins and minerals is a significant concern. One important question is whether the carnivore diet is sustainable for the long term. Many experts recommend a balanced and varied diet to ensure you get all the nutrients your body needs. It's crucial to weigh the potential benefits against the potential drawbacks and consider your individual health goals and needs. So there you have it, the carnivore diet in a nutshell. It's a diet that's certainly gaining attention, but it's not without controversy. As always, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet.